Now, eyebrows were raised today as the woman charged with the murder of reggae girl Tarania Clarke gave a detailed testimony. More in this report.
It was another riveting day in the Home Circuit Court on Monday at the trial for the murder of national footballer Tarania Clarke. The accused, Rochelle Foster, gave an unsworn testimony from the prisoner's dock to Justice Leighton Pusey and the 7-member jury. In exactly 45 minutes, an emotional Foster painted a picture of Clarke as a jealous, aggressive and abusive partner. According to Foster, she was involved in an intimate relationship with Clarke for about 7 months back in 2019. The relationship took a nosedive in early October of that year when she said Clarke accused her of being unfaithful and disrespectful. Foster said she called an end to the relationship after being slapped in the face a few times by Clarke. However, she said they tried to maintain a civil friendship. On the night of October 31, 2019, things took a violent and tragic end. Foster claimed she arranged to meet Clarke in a public setting to retrieve a cellular phone that she had bought for her. But she says the cordial meeting turned into a violent physical attack by Clarke and forced Foster to pull a knife to defend herself. Between sobs and tears, Foster recalled the moment she was on the ground wrestling and fighting for her life with Clarke, when according to her, Clarke was accidentally stabbed. She said she tried unsuccessfully to get some assistance for Clarke before running to the Halfway Tree police station to report the incident. Some elements of Foster's testimony contradicted two witness statements that were given last week. The most glaring being that of the forensic pathologist, who indicated that Clarke died from 2 stab wounds. The matter was adjourned until Tuesday at 10 a.m., when the defense is scheduled to call 2 key witnesses to the stand.